Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today I would like to show you how to use Audacity to record and edit audio. So basically Audacity is free to use software for recording and editing of your audio. If you want to know how to download the Audacity, you can simply watch one of our previous Audacity tutorial videos. So basically when you install Audacity, you can open it. As you can see, it has really nice and easy to understand user interface. Basically at the up left you have the main icons. You can record with the red dot, as you can see right here. Then you can stop it by the black square. You can simply play it with the play button. Then you can pause it with the pause. If you want to go to start of your recording, simply click on this. This will skip to start. And if you want to skip to the end of the audio, click on skip to end. And as you can see, it will not skip to end of your audio track which you recorded here, but it will jump to the end of the audio project at all. If you want to know more about the shortcuts and how to use them at the Audacity, you can watch one of our previous videos. Now at the left bottom we got here the project rate. If you will click on it, you have possibility to choose out from 8,000 to 384,000 hertz rate. So basically the higher this number is, the higher quality will be your recording in the end, but at the same time your final audio file will have so much bigger size. So basically you need to find your own balance at the amount of hertz, that means about the quality of your audio and size of your audio project. We have two possibilities to control the output here, as you can see, for the microphone and the speaker too. So basically when you listen to something what you record, you can listen to it, and when you see here some really bad values around 0 and so on, you can lower the volume or increase the volume or whatever you will need. So basically at the right side you can see the output of your audio at the audio files, what playback levels they are reaching, and at the left side you can see the levels of your microphone during your recording. So as you can see right now we are recording, and you can see that our levels are changing, depends on how noisy or how quiet we are recording our audio. Okay, so now let's record something. Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Let's say that I don't want to have this part here. Simply you can go to edit and you will cut it out, as you can see. Or let's say you don't want this part at your audio, and you will go again to edit and cut. As you can see, the all audio just moved to the left because we just cutted the part out. Then you can simply just go back and click on undo, and as you can see our changes just going back. Okay, then let's say we want to have only this part. Simply highlight it, go to edit, remove special and trim audio. As you can see, we have the only selected part left. The trim function will get rid of everything what we did not highlight it. We can do copy and paste in the Audacity. So basically you will again highlight what you want to copy. Then you go here, clicking on copy or Ctrl+C. You will click where you want to paste it and simply click on paste. As you can see, we just pasted the same selected area. Okay, then let's say you wanted to record something else after this audio, but you forgot. You can click wherever at the audio file where you want to start the recording. Simply let's click, for example, here, click red dot. As you can see, we are recording everything next what we need. So as you can see, when we clicked on red dot, we started again recording our audio, but actually it is in the two audio tracks right now, as you can see. But don't be worried, as soon as you will export your audio file, it will be all merged together as one audio. Okay, nextly, let's say you want to mute some part of your audio. Simply highlight again some part and click on the silence audio selection. As you can see, we silence this part. So as you can see here, for example, if you got this kind of recording and you don't want to hear to, you can simply silence it. If you want to trim your audio, simply select the part you want to trim, go to edit, remove special and click on trim audio. Or we'll now undo the changes. You can click on this one, trim audio outside selection, and as you can see it will do the same thing. So okay, so basically one more thing. Let's say you are working on your project and you don't want to lose it. So basically you will go to file, save project as, and then you will choose the place you want to save it. You will set the name and simply click on save. Okay, and in the end, let's say you want to add some effect to the audio. Simply go to effect, and here you can choose one of really many of the effects about which we are talking in many of our videos. So if you want to just click on any of it, we are talking about normalize, fade out, fade in, and many more. So check it out. Okay, then let's say you have everything done, you want to just export your audio. So you don't need to select anything, you just go to File, Export, and then you will choose as what you want exported. I'm using the WAV because for MP3 you need the special encoder about what we can talk in another video, but simply, yeah, I'm going to export as WAV. Then you will choose where you want to export it, you will set up the name, you will click on Save. Okay, you can then edit some metadata too and click on OK. Now it's exported in the folder you set for it. So that's all for this video, ladies and gentlemen. I really hope I helped you. I really hope you liked it. If you want, you can support this channel by hitting the subscribe button, and if you want, you can follow us on Instagram, link on the description, and you can become our patron too to support our tutorial series at all. Okay, so really thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see ya at the next video.